Hi guys, welcome to Tino's DIY. Thank you for visiting my channel. So this is a video about how to remove your old BOSCH windshield wipers. So I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the old BOSCH windshield wipers. Quite simple. So you see this tab here. On one end there's like a line or some kind of you'll feel it, it's rough, like lines, so you're gonna push on that and lift up, right? So, I need two hands. Let me put you down. Alright, so there's this line here. You're gonna push on that. That's how I'll show you right now. So you're gonna push, squeeze, and lift up. Right? Just watch. Squeeze, lift up. I'm gonna just slide back, up and through. Right? Be careful when you put this thing back down. Don't slam it. Gently. We'll keep it up. Alright, same thing with the other side. I'll show that to you right now. So again, there's a line right here. See that line? There's a line right there. Same thing, you're gonna squeeze and pull up. So you're gonna squeeze, hold on. Squeeze, pull up, and push that way. Right? Pull. See? And then through the hole. There you go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna replace it with the Duralast flex blade. It's a 26-inch long. Part number is gonna be DLF26N. You can get this at AutoZone. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. So the 26-inch is for the driver's side. Then we have a 16-inch flex blade. Part number DLF16 for the passenger side. Alright. So these does come with the extra attachment if you need it. The hook attachment. So of course the shorter one goes on the passenger. Did I tell you that? Anyways, so this is the same concept. So there's these lines here. You're gonna push, squeeze, and lift. Right? Now let me figure out which way it goes. Alright guys. So like I said, you're gonna squeeze this. Yeah. Squeeze, just like so. And just take your hook, put it on top, and push it through, just like that. Close this to lock it in place. Alright, same thing with the passenger side. You're gonna squeeze here, lift up, then just feed the hook right on top there. so. I just locked it. All there is to it. Alright guys, so thanks again for visiting my DIY channel. I hope you subscribe and like, and please click on that bell for future notification when I post a video. Again, I really appreciate you guys visiting my channel. It really means a lot to me. So with that being said, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's